How you doing, Grace Ann? We just climbed that big old cane.
Are you done?
The Ice Age Trail. Look at this view. Is it okay if I'm filming you?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Get royalties on your YouTube channel.
There you go. Oh my gosh. Let me see if you can tell. Yep, we climbed this big old hill. And it's a cane. Sorry, I've been corrected. We just climbed this cane all the way up to the top. Here in Wisconsin, near Slinger. We're both out of breath, but we're doing good. Right, Grace Ann?
I got it.
Uh-huh. Whew. Beautiful Saturday afternoon. So glad we came out here despite the rain prediction. That's not going to stop us, is it?
Not at all.
Heck to the no. We came, we saw, we conquered. We conquered the cane. Yes, ma'am. Alrighty then. Beautiful day here in Slinger.